Hi guys, Yang here at meron na naman tayong panibagong Telegram earning bot. This is gonna be Wow3 coin flip on the Roni network. So right now we already have two Telegram earning bots that are under Roni network. Marami din naman guys magandang projects sa network na 'to. So, I think it's worth to try these projects. But let me just check Wow3 Coin Flip on their Twitter account. Wow3 is the intelligence portfolio and chat platform on Roni Network, coming soon on Ton Blockchain. Play to airdrop is here. Ito yung gagawin natin ngayon guys, yung play to airdrop. Right now, they also have contest for all Web3 creators if you want to have a chance to get or to earn money or a share from 1,500 na USDC bounty pool. You can also join. Dali lang yung task. Meron naman silang guide dito. Ito, get the creator role, post at least 2 pieces of content per week on X or Twitter. Yan lang yung gagawin nyo para magkaroon kayo ng chance na manalo. Winners are chosen weekly by the Wow3 team. So, pwede kayong sumali dyan. Ito yung mga highlight guys ni Wow3 kung ano yung magiging use case niya within the platform. So, you can send photos, send token instantly in chat and send NFT, offer NFT. Yan, so pwede kayo mag-search and i-share yung portfolio ninyo or someone's portfolio. So, whether it's helping a friend, sending a wedding gift, housewarming present, ayan, you can do this through Wow3 chat platform. Ang galing, diba? So, now let's go back to the Telegram mini bot. Ito, so, pagka-click nyo ng link, click nyo lang yung start. Ayan. So, Wow3 airdrop is coming. Let's go. So, i-verify niya pa kung ilang buwan na yung Telegram account natin. After that, once na na-check na yung dito, yung mga box na to naka-check na, i-click lang natin continue. Yan, so, dahil 1 year na yung account ko na to sa Telegram, pang top 80% daw ako sa mga users. Ayan, so dahil 1 year pa lang naman yung Telegram account ko, makaka-receive din ako ng 1,000 na tokens. Wow, 3 tokens. Ayan, guys. So, here are the things that we can do dito sa Wow3. Meron tayong daily check-in. So, once you visit the mini bot, daily you can get additional tokens. So, since day 1 pa lang naman natin, 500 yung makukuha natin. Pag day 15, yung continuous guys makakuha kayo ng 15,000 tokens on 15th day ninyo na pag-check-in. So, check-in natin para makuha natin yung plus 500. Now, after that, dito guys, maganda rin yung ibang task dito. Tulad nito, kung makikita nyo dito sa taas yung 10/10, that means na pwede kong i-flip itong nakalagay dito, Ton or Ronin, and then I will be able to get coins or tokens with multiplier. For example, try natin. Dapat sa session natin ngayon, mauubos natin yung 10. Pero it's up to you naman guys. Pero mas maganda pag naubos natin yung 10 flips para mas marami tayong chance na makakuha ng mga free tokens. Ay, free points. Yan. Try natin i-flip si Ton. Oops, wala. Try natin si Ronin. Flip mo lang guys. I-click mo lang yung Ton or Ron. Wala na naman. Oops. Oh no. Pero ito guys, meron naman siguro ditong iba. Ayan, tulad dito, times 1. So, 10 points lang nakuha ko. Kasi times 1 lang yung nakalagay. Times 2 naman is 20. Per flip guys, you'll get a chance to earn 10 points. Pero, depende kung nakailang multiplier. Kung nakalagay times 5, 50 points yung makukuha ninyo. Oops, wala. Uli. Hindi na kasi natin. So, dapat pala, halimbawa, pag in-click mo yung ton, dapat dito sa coin flip, ang lalabas is ton. Ito kasi yung click ko, diba ton? And then yung lumabas is Ronin. So, wala akong makukuha. Pero kung nag-match siya, makakuha ko ng points. Pero hindi lang naman yan guys, so kung wala na kayong chance na mag-flip, dito guys sa flip pala, magre-refill siya, may counter naman siya, magre-refill siya ulit. Pero hindi lang yan yung ways para makaipon tayo ng mga points. Kasi dito sa quest, yan, makikita nyo, maraming task dyan na pwede natin gawin. So sa daily task, meron tayong daily check-in, and then visit wow 3 per day. Click lang natin yan. Ito yung ano nila guys, website nila. Yan. So, once na-visit mo na yan, automatic na madadagdag yung 1,000 sa available points ninyo. Yan. Then, next naman is one-time tasks. Itong one-time task guys ha, so one time nga, isang beses lang natin gagawin. So, follow lang natin sila sa X channel. Yan, na-follow na natin. And then, if you want to earn more points, gawin nyo na lang yung mga task na to. Pero kung gusto niyo mas kunti lang, gusto niyo na yung madadaling task ang gagawin ninyo, it's up to you guys. You have an option. Pero, mas maganda, maraming task na nagawa, mas maraming points ang may ipon natin, diba? Next naman is join tayo sa Discord. Kung may mga apps naman kayo nito or may mga accounts, pwede nyo lang salihan para additional tokens din yon. Accept lang natin invite. Now, where are we right now? Skip lang natin yan. Skip. Agree lang. Agree and finish. Ayan na. So, madali lang naman guys. Trim natin dito. Verify. Kung pwede na tayong mag-chat. Ayan. Good morning. So, once na nag-join na tayo sa Discord, automatic naman pala siya ma-check. And then, yung balance, automatic na siya madadagdag sa, yung points, automatic na siya madadagdag sa balance. Next naman is like wow 3 tweet. Like lang natin yan. Next, retweet daw natin. So, retweet lang natin to. Ang guys, napakadali lang naman ng task pala. So, gawin nyo na lang lahat. Much better if gawin nyo lahat para mas maraming tokens, mas maraming points ang makukuha ninyo. Kasi once lang naman to once lang yung task, once lang naman gagawin natin yung mga tasks na to. Then, meron din naman silang partner tasks. Dito sa partner tasks, mga ano din to, mga Telegram earning bot din. You can join. Yan, pwede kayong sumali sa mga partner tasks nila. Additional points din yan. Pero I will join them later na lang. So, ito guys, dito naman sa invite. Yan, pwede kayong mag-invite ng mga friends ninyo na gusto rin sumali sa Telegram earning bot, na gusto rin kumita na mga free money sa crypto airdrops, and then once they signed up using your referral link, you can earn 10% of their total points. That is up to 50,000 na bonus points per person yan. Now, ito lang yung link nyo guys. Copy nyo lang yan. Copy link lang para ma-copy nyo yung referral link nyo. Then, yan, the drops. So, right now, guys, I have 24,530 na available points. And then, syempre, kapag nag-visit tayo kay Wow3 Coin Flip everyday, mas makarami tayo ng tokens na makukuha. So, that's all for today, guys. If you want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorials, lalo na kung beginners ka pa lang sa crypto, please subscribe to this channel and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye!